Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Gaza Nation have the entire dancehall fraternity jumping in celebration, viewers and subscribers. We have the only certified gold track plaque for 2020, viewers and subscribers, the Vybz Kartel track titled Fever. For the ladies, for one thing you know, I continue to represent for you and see the numbers don't lie. You represent for the artists as well. Now, Scatter Barrel had something very interesting to say, viewers and subscribers on the whole Fever track and even the whole fact set is certified gold. And this is very interesting. We're gonna look on what him have to say and then we're gonna continue the reasoning.
That I think Fever is one of the, the last 10 years, the most successful dancehall hardcore song. I'm going to talk about Coffee and, Charlie Blacks, of course, But I'm talking about where Kartel is concerned because him dabbling on both genres. Him kind of responsible for the creation of dancehall trap. And everybody follow, So you don't have a lot of creative artists now to create something for themselves and a movement where them can get the type of following that Kartel get. When Kartel dabble in a trap, him beat everybody. When him dabble in a hardcore dancehall, him still beat everybody. Because him have the following and him have the youths, them to support him. So anyway, him got them follow.
Okay.
When a dancehall artist now seek validation from the younger audience, it's very harder for them because them don't try the way the youth them do. You know what I say?
Viewers and subscribers, and as I said, very interesting points being pointed out by Scatter Barrel, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel is, of course, the father of the dancehall fusion sound. And in the tell you from early, him and Marshall have a track where they must say, this is a new millennium. A different thing a go on. Marshall attach him name to the statement, but we're not going to really pre that. He would say, Vybz Kartel come to create a storm, and when you see us in the club or see us on the lawn, adjust the pressure we apply. Now, viewers and subscribers, pressure is being applied. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, continue to have the grip on dancehall music. And we talk about creativity, it is true. Vybz Kartel is definitely the most creative artist we have ever seen in this generation, viewers and subscribers. Fusion sound is definitely the dominant sound right now. People call it trap dancehall. Call it whatever you want. You can call it trap dancehall, that dancehall, or dancehall something else. Or still dancehall. It's the fusion sound. It's incorporating not just reggae, but also elements of different sounds, viewers and subscribers. And that is world music. Bob Marley's biggest reggae hits are the reggae hits when put out, when speak also standard English mixed with patois and had that fusion reggae vibe. So different cultures could love the music and appreciate the music. Now Scatter say even like the Charlie Blacks and the Coffee, don't know Coffee get the Grammy. Big up Coffee, should bring the Grammy come back a yard. You know there's something go. Charlie Blacks Party Animal was also certified as well. But a track like Fever is also more hardcore dancehall, viewers and subscribers. So even though Vybz Kartel is the father of the fusion sound, him still represent for core dancehall fans, showing us he can still do it for core dancehall fans and still make it a commercial success, viewers and subscribers. Certified gold and on normal achievements. Some of the artists will make claims on the gram and will have a couple billion views on one song. A talk like say them can size up with the teacher. Them can't do it at no point in time. They're not even certified plastic at this point in time, viewers and subscribers. But they've never said certified board. Them are not certified plastic. If I never for shows locally and abroad, me no know. But when we talk about music and achievements and accolades, Vybz Kartel is still one of the most celebrated dancehall artists of this generation. And we talk about an inspirational factor in a music right now. Hear what Scatter say? For artists in this day and age, even if they are of the age group where they might try and make music for, It is hard for them connect with them. But Vybz Kartel style of music, viewers and subscribers. Because remember the influence forward from the style of music and the personality of the artists have. Do not act like you don't want to say the influence was there before the music. No, it's the personality put into the music that created that influence of Vybz Kartel. I've currently have to work for that. You know, just get that overnight. The artists put in the work as myself and them jump out and say this is the new millennium. People that listen. And I say, but wait, the artists are plan for bring something to the table. At this point in time, the teacher now bring nothing to the table. I him bring the table come. We have to see what some other artists are bring come to dancehall right now. Right now, Vybz Kartel is dancehall music. And I deso it there. Yeah, I just deso it there. And the numbers don't lie. The numbers don't lie, viewers and subscribers. Remember, it is one thing to be viewed and streamed. But to have your track purchased, to have your tracks purchased is a different achievement, viewers and subscribers. And this is how we map superstars. If you're going to say you're a superstar, you can't be a superstar that is streamed and viewed only. That means you're an internet sensation. And that is a big accomplishment too. To be a sensation of any kind is an achievement because you have a fan base. But to have your tracks purchased, that is how we know you are a superstar among superstars, viewers and subscribers. And remember, dancehall have a long history in our world music. At some point in time, some people that say there was a disconnect. But dancehall never stalled. And the teacher tell me, dancehall has never stalled. Most people who make certain critique of dancehall music have never traveled the world and seen the reaction of fans abroad to dancehall music. Yes, reggae make a name out there. We can consider reggae as dancehall big brother. Even though at one point in time people considered reggae and dancehall as the very same thing. Because some reggae artists at that point in time would consider themselves dancehall artists. Some Rasta artists would consider themselves dancehall artists. In them early stages they are dancehall music because of the same producers and the same artists that build the two sound at the same time. They were just, it's a tree, and music and people branch off into different directions. And the reggae artists who focus mainly on the reggae genre talk about certain subject matter, while the dancehall culture focus on a different subject matter. And at some point in time, them also meet and always intertwine, especially when we talk about subject matters like things we are going on in the inner city, matters of the ladies. It intertwined at one music. But at the same time, reggae is a different genre of music from dancehall. Some people want to say rap different from hip hop. Rap different from hip hop. Me not see the difference, but people who do it will tell us that there is. And reggae is completely different from dancehall music, so we should acknowledge reggae for reggae's accomplishments and dancehall for dancehall accomplishments. Cause remember Shabba not sing reggae. Remember Shabba them never sing no reggae, man. Remember no man. See me? And Bob them. We can't say Bob them that sing no dancehall. We have to say Bob them that sing reggae. It's a good look, viewers and subscribers, to hear the dancehall industry acknowledge the achievements of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And I put it out there to the world, say this achievement is no ordinary achievement. People can look at it like, yeah, me expect that. Of course we don't expect that. Vybz Kartel. But tell the truth, how much artists are do it? Even when Charlie Black's album was track was certified, the Party Animal track, it was a surprise to many people. Kind of many parts of the world where that song is a big song. Enough Jamaicans have never traveled to that part of the world. For know that, people have to tell them, say, yo, Charlie Black sang big over the scene, and people are say, for real? And them never know. Because how could you? You do not reside over there, you never travel over there, you ain't no friends there. And you probably not follow the charts, or you not listen to that, the genre of music. The genre of music. I'm surprised how much Russian link up with all Charlie Blacks and Vybz Kartel and just a big song already. That should be something where in the works. I don't know. Maybe we have a different vision. You have to be a true visionary if you see the vision. But a Charlie Blacks, a Vybz Kartel and a Russian mix would already, because the Latin market the Russian are focused on right now is one of the market them celebrated the Party Animal track, and them love Vybz Kartel music, and them love dancehall and reggae overall. And them have a fusion style of music where them call reggaeton too. So, you know what I mean? But those feel like, if them get a big artist from over there too for feature upon that, I'll Bad Bunny them link up and something. A different vibe. Yeah, it would have be a different world music vibe. So maybe that should be talked about as well. But Fever definitely do the numbers and put into point of view some statements some other artists that make them not ready. Them not ready as some money talk about them right for the boss. No time! Them not right for the boss. The boss don't make nobody sign nothing for him. I won't right for which boss? And the boss can read and write. The boss don't need nobody for write for him and you can read and write. That is not something where you outsource. You know, outsource writing. The most you do get an official stamp so you can stamp, you know, outsource writing. You don't make nobody sign a documents here. You ever hear that? As rich as they be, ever hear nobody assignment, nobody sign documents for them. You give your own signature, that's why you're your signature, man. Nobody in the right for the boss at no point in time. Viewers and subscribers, Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, one, we have just another exciting reason for the topic. And other than that, me are reminding you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all so that you can be notified of all fresh content. That's why fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Viewers and subscribers, the share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, tell a friend. We tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel and check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section is always open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. As I say, we can continue reasoning from right there. So, and now move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.